In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and re-upload a clean, royalty-free audio sample for successful use. If your upload has been flagged or rejected, the most common reason is that the audio contains commercial or copyrighted background music. Even if that music is playing softly in the background, it can still trigger detection systems and cause issues during review. That's why the goal here is to make sure your sample includes only audio that you have the right to use. Start by checking the audio file you plan to upload. Listen carefully from beginning to end and pay special attention to anything behind the main sound. If there is background music from a song, a beat, a radio track, a TV clip, or any other copyrighted source, that portion should not be included. For this kind of submission, it's important that the audio does not contain commercial music at all. Next, trim your sample so it focuses purely on the original human voice or on sound effects that you created or have permission to use. The cleaner the clip, the better. If you are submitting a voice sample, remove any intro music, ambient track, or layered soundtrack so that only the spoken audio remains. If you are working with sound effects, isolate only those effects and make sure no music is mixed underneath them. This helps the review process and makes the sample much easier to evaluate accurately. As you trim the file, try to keep the audio straightforward and distraction-free. A short, clean sample is usually better than a longer clip with unnecessary elements. Also, listen again after editing to confirm that nothing unwanted remains at the beginning, middle, or end of the file. Sometimes a music tail or transition sound can be easy to miss unless you do one final playback. Once the sample is clean, re-upload the updated version using a royalty-free audio snippet. In other words, the file should contain only original material, licensed royalty-free sound or audio that you fully own and are allowed to submit. This final step is essential because it ensures your upload complies